Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. In this session we will talk about how to tag table fields. In addition to our last session, we saw how to create a table and how to play with the adjustments and settings. And we'll talk about a bit of properties, how we control container properties and script tag properties. So let's dive in. Here's our table. Right now we only have a header to the table and the rest of the cells are blank because we want to talk about table fields. We saw how to tag regular fields, the applicative fields like amount we demonstrated on, but I want you to see the difference between a table field. A table field will be marked in a blue T, and here we'll demonstrate on the discount. If I'll press twice like I usually do and try to tag it, the system will tell me, notice, this is a table field, it won't act properly. Would you like to insert it anyway? If I'll press yes here, you'll see that the discount will be on orange T, like a warning, it shouldn't be there. Why? Because a table field should only be tagged in a table. If I'll go to the discount cell here and tag it, it will insert correctly and will be on the normal blue T. What's the catch? Table fields have the ability to roll down to show us all the information. If I have here the product name, which we'll tag right now together, and I have 100 products, I don't need to tag this field over and over again, build 100 rows in my table, because product will be rolling down as much as the repetitive items in my record in Salesforce. So I'll tag here all my necessary fields. For this example, we have the product name, description, we have here the price, and the discount we already tagged. And here for the wrong discount, the example one, we'll delete it, and here is our table. So what we can do furthermore, when I have a blue T, it's a table I can control in the properties. I can go here to new and make some logic. For example, I want to show a specific row or hide a specific row. If I want now to use the sort regarding the price, I can make it go to number because my prices are in numbers, and make it ascending or descending sort. I can also make a logic of if my data tag field of, we'll look at here, of my discount is lower than 40%, so I want to see it, or I won't see it. In this case, don't show it to me. It's not relevant. So you can play furthermore with what is showing or hiding for us, which is great to play with and to show our information how we would like it to appear. Another thing we can do is to hide the whole table. If for a certain customer or colleague or whatever will play with the form, I don't want him specifically to see my table. So we have a great gadget here that if I press on the whole table, I can wrap around it a container, and the container can control the whole thing. If my customer is X, Y, Z, whatever you pick from the data tags, show him the container or hide from him. I can control for individual people. So this is a great tool. Also, another thing I can do regarding the logic inside the table is to go here to the product name or the product description or whatever I want. We'll go here with the description for the example. And here in the properties, I can convert it to a script tag because now it's a regular table field. If I'll press the convert here on new, looks exactly like the screen we just saw with the other ones. But here I can set value to it. If certain data tags is equal to set value 1, or even better, set symbol. If the product has a description, put an V on it, so I can see it like that, has or doesn't has. So this is what we do regarding logic for a table, for a container, for a script tag. Of course, later on we'll see how we can play it a bit more, but this is essentially what we do with logic on tables. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.